We wind through the modern shops to the Kimchi Museum, and one of the most traditional activities in Korea, making kimchi.
First, we need to put on our aprons and our gloves.
Slicing
the first time on TV.
the radish.
Don't be nervous. We're making kimchi, the Korean national dish. We're on a cooking show now.
There are seasoning of kimchi ingredients. This is a red pepper powder. This is a sticky rice starch. This is a plum juice. This is our minced garlic and ginger and fermented shrimp and anchovy sauce.
Radish. Maybe do a half of that, guys. We're adding 1 teaspoon of ginger. I like this kind of cooking.
What? Smashing stuff together?
It's all laid out for me already.
I'm getting garlic in my tablespoon.
For the most part, the kids like the ingredients.
Ooh, smells like talking powder. Boing. Plum sauce, is that sweet? I think I could skip out on the anchovy.
But there's one that may cause a recipe for disaster.
Tablespoon of fermented shrimp.
What does fermented mean? It just sits there?
You want some fermented shrimp? I'm massaging a cabbage.
Just rubbing it around, getting the cabbage all kimchi-ish.
And then we place the kimchi in jars and label them with our names. We even learn to write our names in Korean. And the labels make Seamus think of something.
Are we eating this?
Well, we are, but not right now. We'll let them marinate a little longer. For now, we're heading down the street to a little hot pot restaurant nearby.
Is it like raw or